Hello, Internet Academy scholars. Mrs. Olson here. It is week 17 in second semester. We have a 4-day week with Friday as a no school day. If you have to submit, IA is open 24/7. Teachers won't be working, but we'll get back to you and correct your assignments on Tuesday, the 30th. That's right, Monday is also a no school day because it is Memorial Day. Since May MPR was last week, teachers will be correcting work and preparing those MPR marks or reports. Look in your inbox and the ALE app. The quote for this week is from Joy from Inside Out. She said, "You can't focus on what's going wrong. There's always a way to turn things around." All right, everyone, have a great week. Bye.